How to make money online with ChatGPT. Here are some strategies for making money online with ChatGPT. 1. Content creation. 2. Answering questions. 3. Chatbot development. 4. Language translation. 5. Virtual assistant. Content creation. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas and content for your website or social media platforms. You can use the language model to create blog posts, articles, social media posts, and other content. By creating high-quality, engaging content, you can attract more visitors to your website and increase your revenue through advertising, affiliate marketing, or other strategies. Answering questions. ChatGPT can also help you provide customer service or answer questions from your website visitors. By creating a chatbot or integrating ChatGPT into your website, you can provide 24/7 support to your customers without having to hire additional staff. This can help you save time and money while providing better customer service. Chatbot development. You can also use ChatGPT to develop chatbots for businesses or clients. Many businesses are looking for ways to improve their customer service and streamline their operations, and chatbots can help them do that. By developing chatbots for businesses, you can earn money while also improving the customer experience. Language translation. ChatGPT can also be used to translate content or messages between different languages. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services to businesses or individuals. ChatGPT can help you automate some of the translation process and save time and effort. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can use ChatGPT to handle tasks such as scheduling appointments, responding to emails, and managing social media accounts. By using ChatGPT to automate some of these tasks, you can save time and increase your productivity, which can lead to higher earnings. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you make money online in a variety of ways. Whether you're creating content, providing customer service, or developing chatbots, ChatGPT can help you streamline your operations and improve your earnings.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.